Hello, Kurumjuri, and welcome to Sktv's News. You're watching Primetime English News with me, Jessie. Now, as usual, giving you the headlines first. High-level meeting chaired by Chief Minister Yumnam Kimchan held at Civil Secretariat, Manipuri, to review prevailing situations in Manipur. Armed miscreants storm house in Ravalon village of Chandal district, assault village chief and kidnap his wife after firing round. Gunfight breaks out between ZUF and NSC and IM cadres this morning at New Kaifundai under Tausim subdivision in Tamenglong district along National Highway 37. Rajya Sabha MP Sanajao Boleshember ranked second poorest MP with minimal declared assets, just above Punjab's MP Sant Balbir Singh. Imphal announces completion of textbooks translations into mother tongue for classes 1 to 3, targets full completion of remaining textbooks within this year. And premium petrol price increased by 2 rupees per litre and bulk diesel by 22 rupees, while regular fuel rates remain unchanged amid escalating Middle East tensions. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Yumnam Kimchan today chaired a high-level review meeting at the new Civil Secretariat with the Chief Secretary P.K. Goel, DGP Rajiv Singh and Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh, marking the first such deliberation at the new Secretariat. The meeting witnessed comprehensive discussions on key aspects of administration and governance, with a clear focus on strengthening peace, ensuring stability and accelerating inclusive development in Manipur. In a post on X, Chief Minister Kimchan informed that during the meeting, attendees reiterated collective commitment to responsive governance and the welfare of every citizen. Chief Minister also reviewed on resettlement process of IDPs and the security arrangement. Chief Minister Kimchan also saw details on steps being taken up to restore peace in Ukhrul district. Meanwhile, government of Manipur has invited Chairman of Kuki-Zo Council Heliang Thanglet along with its members for a meeting with the Chief Minister on March 21 in Guwahati, Assam. The meeting is aimed at discussing measures to restore peace and normalcy in the state. The invitation was conveyed through an official communication issued by Secretary to the Chief Minister, Naileng Telin, requesting confirmation from the Council. Now, in a serious incident reported from Ravalon village under Jakpikarong subdivision in Chandal district, unknown armed miscreants allegedly assaulted an elderly man and abducted his wife on the evening of March 19. According to information received by police, the incident occurred around 7 p.m. when about 5 unidentified men arrived in a blue-colored vehicle and parked near the village road before carrying out the attack. The miscreants reportedly forced their way into the residence of Sumpi Ngambring, 65 years, son of late SP Tumtung, and assaulted him using a pistol. During the attack, they fired several rounds, creating panic in the area. The attackers then abducted his wife, Tim Kochin Haukip, 48 years of age, and fled towards Saluk village. Following the incident, a suo moto FIR has been registered at Jakpikarong police station under the BNS and Section 27 of the Arms Act. Police have launched an investigation and efforts are underway to trace the culprits and rescue the abducted woman. Analeng Rural Tampi ALT Jakpikarong branch has strongly condemned the attempted murder of Ravalon village chief Sumpi Ngambrung and abduction of his wife by suspected militants on March 19 evening. According to reports, around 5 armed individuals stormed the chief's residence around 7 p.m., opened fire when he resisted and forcibly took his wife towards Sajik Tampak, leaving the family and villagers in shock. Calling the act inhuman and a serious threat to peace and communal harmony, ALT urged authorities to ensure immediate rescue of abducted women, arrest all perpetrators and conduct thorough and transparent investigation. The student body also warned that failure to act swiftly could further escalate the already fragile situation in the state. Sumpi Paping Society has also strongly condemned the attempted murder of Ravalon village chief Sumpi Ngamrung and abduction of his wife Thinjin Hakip by suspected armed militants at Chakpikarong on Thursday evening around 7 p.m. According to a press statement issued, the chief, who sustained injuries, is currently out of danger after receiving first aid at CHC Chakpikarong, while the incident has left the family and villagers in shock. Condemning the act as heinous, the society has urged law enforcement agencies to take swift action to rescue the abducted women and arrest the culprits, while appealing to the public and civil society organizations to unite in condemning the crime and support justice. A gunfight reportedly broke out between cadres of ZUF and NSC and IM this morning around 8:30 a.m. at New Kaif Pundai under Tausam subdivision in Tamenglong district along National Highway 37. According to information received by SKTV, no casualties have been reported so far. The NSC and IM cadres were pushed out from the incident area. However, the sudden exchange of fire created panic among villagers in the area, with many seen fleeing to safer places to escape the violence. It may be recalled that a similar clash between the two groups had occurred earlier in Noni district, which resulted in the death of one ZUF cadre. Rajya Sabha MP Sanajawala Shambal has become the second poorest MP with declared assets of just 5 lakh rupees. According to an Association for Democratic Reforms ADR report, he was edged out by AAP Sant Balbir Singh, who has assets of 3 lakh rupees, while TMC's Prakash Chigbarik rounds out the 3 least wealthy MPs with 9 lakh rupees. This stark financial contrast is highlighted in the ADR report, which analyzed affidavits of 229 of 233 Rajya Sabha MPs. BRS MP Bandi Partha Saradhi tops the wealth list with 5,300 crore rupees, followed by AAP's Rajinder Gupta with 5,053 crore rupees and YSRCP's Ala Ayodhya Rami Reddy with 2,577 crore rupees. 31 MPs have assets over 1 billion rupees. The report also reveals that 73 MPs, which counts 32% of those analyzed, face criminal cases, with 36 having serious charges, including 1 murder case, 4 attempts to murder, and 3 crimes against women. BJP has 27 MPs with criminal cases, followed by Congress with 12 MPs, TMC with 4 MPs, and AAP with 4 MPs. Mitay Irol Iek Loinasilol Apunbalup Milal announced that translation of textbooks into mother tongue for classes 1 to 3 has been completed, with a target to finish the remaining grades by the end of the year. In a press release, the organization's publicity secretary stated that the lexicon committee, constituted by the Directorate of Language Planning and Implementation, had informed to Milal members about the status of translating school textbooks during a recent joint meeting held at the conference hall of the Directorate of Higher and Technical Education. Milal further lauded the director and staff for their sincere efforts towards enabling students to learn in their mother tongue. However, the organization also highlighted the challenges students face due to a shortage of teachers proficient in their mother language and script. It went on to urge the government to prioritize candidates proficient in the Manipuri language during the recruitment of pre-primary teachers. State-run oil marketing companies have increased the price of its premium petrol price by 2 rupees per litre, while the rate of bulk diesel sold to industrial users was hiked by about 22 rupees a litre, reflecting the spike in global oil prices and conflict in the Middle East. However, the price of normal petrol and diesel remains unchanged. Premium 95-octane petrol price in Delhi has been increased from 99.89 rupees per litre to 101.89 rupees in the national capital. International oil prices touched $119 per barrel on Thursday on intensifying Iran war before pulling back to around $108 a barrel. Premium petrol is used for better engine performance and improved mileage. Primarily used in luxury, sports and high-performance cars, it is also known as high-octane fuel or power petrol. Therefore, the hike in price by HPCL is primarily expected to impact affluent buyers. India imports 88% of its crude oil needs and roughly half of its natural gas requirement. These mostly come via the Strait of Hormuz. Following the US and Israeli attacks on Iranian government, military and nuclear facilities, Iran warned shipping away from the strait and insurers withdrew coverage, effectively halting tanker movements. Sagolban MLA RK Mo today inaugurated Sri Sri Radha Govinda Pal at Segaro Takhelambam Laikai in the presence of local leaders and officials, with the project completed at an estimated cost of around 4,30,000 rupees. Addressing the gathering, the MLA said that the temple is dedicated to the people and expressed hope that it would bring prosperity to residents and the area at large. He also highlighted ongoing development works, including blacktopping of roads across Sagolban, improvement of water supply, installation of transformers to ensure reliable electricity, and upcoming inauguration of water ATM. Assuring further progress, he announced plans for construction of a community hall with a badminton court and office space. The MLA also extended greetings to Meitei Pangal community on the occasion of Ramzan and Eid, while residents expressed appreciation for improved infrastructure, steady water supply, enhanced power services, and regular distribution of PDS rice under NFSA. Moirang MLA Tongam Shanti distributed shawl and gifts to 420 selected voters of Moirang constituency in connection with Sajibunong Mapan Bacharawa Festival. Speaking on the sideline of the event that was held at Moirang Pilem Laikai, MLA Shanti informed that displaced students will be provided with scholarship under the initiative of Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand. The MLA also assured to take up welfare projects in the interest of IDPs.
Honorable CM, Tamkana Center the Taknari, Marudi Satra Kudimakta, Hada Lupa, Nisim Mari Bari Pinanava, Mado Soida the Yarakani Habi Tazabado, A Lady Habido, A Mayam the Su, Honorable Chief Minister, Siriwai Kemsana, Akoi the PV of Poktaki Batugina, Soida Madu Lakwa Yare, it has a Tamjari.
Rural Development and Panchayati Raj RDNPR Commissioner Sumant Singh announced that the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rojgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin will be implemented soon in the state. He was addressing at the one-day media dialogue on Jan Samvad, public outreach-based IEC program for a VBG RAMG organized by State Monitoring Cell RDNPR at Hotel Classic North AOC Imphal. Speaking further, the Commissioner said that the central government has been extending continuous support to the state by taking up many economic activities to improve the living conditions of poor people. He added that VBG-RMG was enacted to revamp the rural economy and foster people's welfare in line with the government's ambitious vision to transform the nation into a fully developed, self-reliant and prosperous country. Sumant Singh also stated that VBG-RMG lays special emphasis on water security, core rural infrastructure, livelihood infrastructure, and climate resilience for a long-lasting asset, besides increasing guaranteed work days to 125 days.
Under MGNREJ, we had got the largest allocation so far in Manipur for the year 2025-26. So there was an allocation of 2,000 crore for 60 days of employment. And this was the highest ever allocation for the state, considering that state had passed through a very tough time and there was a challenge to engage the youth in meaningful economic activity. The government of India took note of those concerns and then they gave the biggest outlay so far given to Manipur. This has helped us in engaging the rural poor in meaningful way in economic activities. And now we want to build upon that, whatever we have done under MGNREG, under GRAMG, to provide 125 days of employment. Under MGNREG, we had got the largest allocation.
Director of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Imphal, Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma, has urged faculty members and head of department of RIMS to give more focus on research papers with high impact values so that the institute can consolidate in the list of National Institutional Ranking Framework (NIRF). Director G. Sunil Kumar said this while attending the 16th MESOCON 2026, which was organized by Medical Society Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Imphal, at Jubilee Hall of RIMS today. Medical Superintendent of RIMS, Professor Nipram Sanjeev, Dean Academics, Professor L. Rajesh, and Chairman of Medical Society, Professor S. Subhash Chandra, graced the event. Speaking in the program, Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma emphasized on the importance of producing quality academic research publication and urged senior faculty to give more impetus on research work by encouraging the students. Speaking further, Professor Sunil Kumar also highlighted the plans and ongoing project in RIMS, especially about 150 bedded critical care block and organ transplantation system.
We are one of the largest provider of intensive care services in the state, and we are on the verge of completion of 150 bedded critical care block, which was scheduled to be finished at the end of 2025, little extended because of certain issues of infrastructure development. But I'm very hopeful by the end of the year, we'll be adding 150 extra intensive care ICU beds. So that will be one of the biggest in the entire Northeast. So we'll be coming close to the biggest health critical care provider of the state. So before the next Mesocon, will be very much on that target of having a very big setup. The organ donation, where the cadaveric donation can vastly improve the donation queue. So we have to be again on the toes to have a very robust organ transplant mechanism. For that, we have submitted to Government of Manipur that RIMS be declared as a SOTO under NOTO. Air Authority has approved, but will be approved by Cabinet shortly, then will be official. And that will be a very big boost to the further organ transplantation journey for the state and for the country also.
Manipur State Legal Services Authority (MASLSA) handed over multi-utility vehicles, data Yodha and desktop computers to District Legal Services Authorities (DLSAs) and Legal Aid Defense Council System (LADCS) offices. The distribution program was held today at ADR Center Imphal in the presence of Justice M. Sundar, Justice A. Bimol, and Justice A. Guneshwar Sharma, along with judicial officers and legal aid councils from across the state. Speaking on the occasion, MASLSA officials informed that 20 vehicles were procured with funds from National Legal Services Authority to strengthen outreach in remote and difficult terrains, of which 8 have already been distributed to MASLSA and several DLSAs including Imphal East, Imphal West, Thoubal, Bishnupur, Ukhrul, Senapati and Churachandpur, while the remaining will be allocated to Chandel and Tamenglong upon delivery. Desktop computers, printers, and other equipment were also distributed to LADCS officers with an aim to enhance their operational efficiency. The Chief Justice expressed gratitude to NALSA for its support in strengthening legal aid infrastructure in the state. Manipur Technical University, through its departments of Civil Engineering and Electrical Engineering, in collaboration with NSS Units 1 and 2, conducted one-day cleanliness and plantation program at Guarok Maring Village on March 20. The initiative, which aimed at promoting environmental awareness and social responsibility, was actively participated by faculty members, students, and NSS volunteers who undertook cleanliness drives and planted saplings in and around the village. The program also created awareness among local residents on hygiene, sanitation, and environmental conservation. The university expressed gratitude to the villagers for their support and appreciated the efforts of all participants. Now let's take a short break. We'll be right back.
Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship ki makada skill development training on solar installation hausagadori. 9 days training amasung ₹5,000 stipend expert resource person kayana takadaba training program ni. Akupa marol kidamak KV Philanthropy Khabam Lamkhai Manipuri amasung Imphal West kina LMS Arcade Ningthemsa Karong Hairanggoithong Imphal West. Aikogi contact number 8732017957 natraga 8798240167 da contact tobiro.
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising, become a local cable operator, and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Welcome back. You're watching SKTV Primetime English News. Now moving on, Roger Irom Memorial Trust and family observed 15th death anniversary of Irom Roger, who was a victim of road rage incident that took place on March 20, 2011. Principal of DM College of Arts S. Lanchenba Maite, President of Roger Irom Memorial Trust KSH Subudani, Social Activist Dr. Kiran Drambam, AMSGO General Secretary Sumati Sograkpam and General Secretary of Desam Thaudam Samjai graced the function, which was held at Community Hall of Gari Youth Welfare Association, Gari Makalaikai. During the observance, Roger Irom Memorial Award were presented to 3 meritorious students of Science Stream in Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur Examination 2025. Speaking on the sideline, mother of late Roger Irom, Ongbi Chitra, maintained that the death anniversary of her son was organized to remind the society about ill effect of gun violence, road rage, and drugs on youths. She also highlighted the struggle she endured while trying to get justice for her son. All Manipur Students Union MSU Secretary General Salam Changkhonba urged the younger generation to take responsibility for the state's protection, cautioning that relying on others to defend them would leave Manipuris vulnerable to the mercy of outsiders. He was speaking at the academic campaign held as part of the MSU's Realization Month observance at Wangkai High School, Imphal. The event, held with the theme Realize to Save the Indigenous People of Manipur, was attended by students of Wangkai High School and several other volunteers of MSU. Speaking further, underlined the crucial importance of understanding the state's current political landscape while emphasizing the need to equip youth to become productive members of society. He also pointed out that a general indifference to local affairs has left Manipuris in a state of stagnation. Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala has extended warm greetings and best wishes to the people of the state, especially Muslim community, on the auspicious occasion of Eid al-Fitr. In his message, the governor stated that Eid al-Fitr marks the culmination of the holy month of Ramadan, a period of fasting, prayer, reflection, and charity. He highlighted that the festival symbolizes gratitude, compassion, and the spirit of sharing, while values of sacrifice, self-discipline, forgiveness, and brotherhood inspire building of a harmonious and inclusive society. He expressed hope that the festival would bring peace, happiness, and prosperity and further strengthen unity among all communities in Manipur. Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand extended warm greetings to the people of Manipur, especially Muslim community, on the occasion of Eid al-Fitr. He highlighted the festival as culmination of Ramadan, promoting spiritual reflection, charity, and unity among communities. The Chief Minister wished for peace, health, happiness, and prosperity for all on this auspicious day. On the joyous occasion of Eid al-Fitr, Speaker Tokchom Satyabrata and MLA K. Robindro also extended warm greetings to the people of the state, especially Muslim community. Speaker T.S. Satyabrata conveyed heartfelt wishes, highlighting that Eid symbolizes faith, compassion, and unity, and expressed hope that the festival would bring peace, prosperity, and happiness to every household while strengthening communal harmony. MLA K. Robindro also extended his greetings, particularly to Meitei Pangal community, noting that Eid al-Fitr marks the culmination of the holy month of Ramadan, a time of fasting, prayer, and reflection. Emphasizing the values of compassion, charity and brotherhood, he urged people to support the less fortunate and work collectively for peace and progress in Manipur. He further called for unity across communities to ensure harmonious and prosperous future for the state. Several civil society organizations in Manipur have extended greetings to the people of the state, especially Meitei Bengal community, on the occasion of Eid al-Fitr. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol, CADA, expressed hope that the festival would promote peaceful coexistence among all communities, strengthen brotherhood and contribute to a prosperous Manipur, while urging youths to shun drug abuse and work towards a healthier society. Ethno Heritage Council Harikon also conveyed greetings, stating that the sacred festival should bring peace, harmony and unity, and highlighted its significance as a time for maintaining cleanliness, sharing meals and extending help to one another. Bengal Team Manipur has extended heartfelt greetings to the followers of Islam on the occasion of Eid al-Fitr, calling upon people to celebrate the festival in a spirit of unity and brotherhood, irrespective of caste and creed. The organization urged everyone to set aside hatred and jealousy and embrace harmony, expressing hope that the auspicious occasion would usher in a new phase of unity and strengthen bonds among all communities in the state. All Manipur Muslim Students Organization, AMSO, extended warm greetings to the people of Manipur on the occasion of Eid al-Fitr. The organization highlighted the festival as a symbol of unity, peace, and togetherness in the state's diverse society. AMSO President Taubal Mayum Manoj Khan urged all communities to maintain harmony and strengthen brotherhood. All Manipur Students Union, MSU, has extended warm Eid al-Fitr greetings to Islam followers in Manipur. In a message, MSU Information and Publicity Secretary Sartoring Nerkom highlighted the festival's significance, emphasizing sacrifice and togetherness. The organization acknowledged the Meitei Bengal community's roots in Manipur, formed through Meitei women marriages and the fraternal bond they share with other communities. MSU further wished that Eid al-Fitr brings joy, love, peace, prosperity, and inclusive growth to all. Students' organizations in Manipur also extended warm greetings to the Islamic community on the occasion of Eid al-Fitr. Kangleipak Students Organization, KSA, extended best wishes on the occasion, marking the end of the holy month of Ramadan, during which Holy Quran was revealed and devotees observed month-long fasting. KSA highlighted the spiritual significance of the sacred month, emphasizing values of faith, sacrifice, and compassion observed through daily fasting. The association expressed hope that the festival will bring love and harmony among all communities while urging end to unrest and collective march towards peace and development in the state. Now, Wangjing Tenta Block Congress Committee, WTBCC, distributed edible items at Pundre and Myren Kool as part of Eid al-Fitr, which marks the culmination of Holy Ramadan. Former Minister Moirangthem Hemanta, along with members of WTBCC, distributed edible items to 1,300 families. Speaking on the sideline, Hemanta appealed for unity and concerted efforts to maintain peace in the state and also conveyed greetings to people ahead of Eid al-Fitr. In a heartwarming display of inter-community harmony and brotherhood in Manipur, Khoshnam Tokyo Meitei, son of late hawker Khoshnam Koba Meitei of Pisumthong Oinam Lekai, facilitated a generous gesture on the occasion of Eid al-Fitr 2026. He distributed traditional cloth along with 500 rupees and cash to women of Meitei Bengal community, symbolizing the deep-rooted harmony and mutual respect between the Meitei and Bengal communities amid the state's shared cultural fabric. Khoshnam Tokyo Meitei is presently working as assistant data entry operator at Juvenile Justice Board and the Social Welfare Department and has been honored with multiple national and international awards. Lining Tho Lam Ahingba Meritorious Awards Distribution Ceremony and annual ritual functions for Sajibunong Mapan Machiraba was held at Lam Ahingba Lampak, Kaino. The event, organized by Lining Tho Lam Ahingba Thopal Lup LLATL, was graced by CLP leader K. Mekachandra, LLATL President W. Homeshwar, Oinam Constituency ex-MLA L. Radhe Kishore, Kakching Constituency ex-MLA Y. Surchandra, and YL Kati editor Hemanta Kumar Ningomba. The event began with Sanamahi devotees offered grains and vegetables to the deity, praying for their well-being. Later, Lining Tho Lam Ahingba Meritorious Awards and Excellence Awards were distributed to 52 meritorious students, 6 international and national level players, and Dr. Namarakpam Pramo. Addressing the gathering, Hemant Kumar highlighted the importance of preserving the good old values and cultures of a community. He also criticized the trend of adopting certain cultural elements that hinders the community's economic growth.
Kunaisida Kanarisi, Pung Yeba, Zagoi Saba, Say Sakpa, Pena Kongba, Aduga, Lagi Tabak Torum, Tobumayam, Si Oina, Quina, culture is why the Oina, Lowemako. Adaina Hajidishidi, culture is Yanguzani, Aina Heck Pukwadagina, Siba Pawi, Kumsata, Loineri, Basanabi, Mayam say, Masi culture Nebako. Or the culture that Kamai to Gibu, culture Anini Kura Hydrogen. Amana Kamai to Gibu, Lyra Tarana culture, Haibama, Aduga Ato Pamana, Akui Kamai to Ina Kungatagi. Culture amani khakle culture se akoi ki laioi khraba ahlaman mayam sina ina khunba oina ba ina khunna ba ki culture ama tabira meba adu ki culture do ina khunba ki culture do akoi na ngasi loina kauthoe aduga laira ta na ba ki culture ha ka tawraga leire sin ai hai du se.
Assam Rifles joined the people of Manipur in celebrating Sajibu Nomapan Macharaba, the traditional Meitei New Year, across various locations on March 19, promoting cultural unity and community bonding. Festivities were held at Oinam Kabam Lampak and Oinam Mayaleka in Imphal West, with active participation from local leaders, women and residents, comprising traditional games, folk performances and cultural competitions. A grand puja at Jing Lairembi Temple, Singchamay, was attended by over 3,000 devotees, while similar celebrations at Suknu included rituals, community interaction and free medical camp. Altogether, more than 3,300 civilians and around 150 Assam Rifles personnel took part, with locals appreciating the force's efforts in promoting peace and preserving cultural heritage. In addition to the celebrations, Assam Rifles donated 2 water storage tanks with a total capacity of 3,000 litres to address water scarcity in Yisom village of Kamjong district, and a 97-year-old retired Assam Rifles veteran, LNK Leiching, was honoured. Further, under Operation Savannah, power loom and handloom weaving units were inaugurated at Suknu in Kakching district, with a total of 5 power looms and 15 handlooms distributed across multiple locations to support women's livelihood. The initiative is expected to benefit at least 15 women initially and will be managed by local authorities with planned skill training support. A day-long integrated multi-speciality camp was organized under the aegis of Brigadier Sachin Mahadek of 59 Mountain Brigade, Lokoi Pad Bishnupur at Ningthau Higher Secondary School today. 20 doctors from Maharashtra, along with doctors and staffs of Bishnupur District Hospital, attended the healthcare needs of over 300 individuals. Bishnupur Deputy Commissioner also inspected the free medical camp and lauded the initiative of Brigadier Sachin Mahadek. Mangal Artists Association producer Sanjit Ningthauja has called for fostering the growth of Manipuri theatrical art form Sumanglila. He expressed gratitude for the success of their latest play, Aina Heli Nukshiba. The play, written by Yes Meitei and directed by Hui Kap Gokul, features several casts including Saratkar, Ibai Chalba, Happy Rajan, Deva, Ratan Lai, Sachi Wangu, Prem Soro, Denu, Arapti Salendro, and Kishan. The music directors are King and Huikap Gokul, with Dina Karam and Khetri Dhaneshwar on male and female vocals respectively. Mangal Artists Association will produce its next play, Nongthang, soon, with Ajit Kumar Lasham as a playwright. Infal branch of Anal Lengrol Tangpi ALT organized a voluntary blood donation camp at District Hospital Chandal today in collaboration with Royal Riders Chandal and in association with Sija Blood Center. Over 70 donors, including youth and local residents, participated in the camp, held with an objective to meet growing demand for safe blood and support establishment of blood center at hospital with medical teams ensuring safe and efficient procedures. OC of Chandal District Police CH Sanjoy also donated blood along with his spouse and lauded the effort, urging CSOs and student bodies to take the lead in such initiatives to help set up a blood bank in the district. The program was supported by Helping Hands for People, Manipur, ALT, GHQ, Chandal, village authorities, youth clubs and Analsin Nu role, with ALT expressing gratitude to all contributors.
ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯟꯗꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯗ ꯕꯦꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯍꯟꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯑꯦꯁꯑꯣꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯅꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯃ ꯁꯣꯔꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ ꯁꯣꯔꯁꯇꯣ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯗ ꯕꯦꯡ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯔꯤꯒꯨꯂꯔ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯗ ꯗꯣꯅꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯚꯣꯂꯟꯇꯔꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯗ ꯗꯣꯅꯔꯁꯤꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯄ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏꯌꯦꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯂꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯜꯁꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯗ ꯕꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯗ ꯕꯦꯡ ꯍꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯗ ꯗꯣꯅꯔ ꯇꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯅꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯦꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤ
Young Physic Union YPHU Club has condoled the passing away of its former secretary Koijam Afabi. The club held a condolence meeting and paid tribute to late Koijam Apabi by observing 2-minute silence. In a press note issued by Secretary of Young Physic Union, Lasham Minabanta, remembered the contributions of Koijam Apabi in the club and called her demise as huge loss for YPHU while also expressing solidarity to Birth family. Now the weather report. According to ICR, Regional Center Imphal, its maximum temperature was recorded at 28 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 14 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 84% in the morning and 48% in the evening. Now before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. High-level meeting chaired by Chief Minister Yumnam Kemjan held at Civil Secretariat, Manipuri, to review prevailing situations in Manipur. Armed miscreants storm house in Ravalan village of Chandal district, assault village chief and kidnap his wife after firing round. Gunfight breaks out between ZUF and NSC and IM cadres this morning at New Kaifundayan, the Tausam subdivision in Tamenglong district along National Highway 37. Rajya Sabha MP Sunajal Buleshimba ranked second poorest MP with minimal declared assets, just above Punjab's MP Sant Balbir Singh. Milal announces completion of textbooks translations into mother tongue for classes 1 to 3, targets full completion of remaining textbooks within this year. And premium petrol price increased by 2 rupees per litre and bulk diesel by 22 rupees, while regular fuel rates remain unchanged amid escalating Middle East tensions. And that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates.